Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Agora video calls to a Flutter app, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Agora video calls to a Flutter app, first, create an Agora account at the agora.io website. Log in to the Agora dashboard. Create a new project and note the app ID provided. In your Flutter project, add the Agora Flutter SDK as a dependency in your pubspec.yaml file. Run the command to install the dependencies. Import the Agora package in your Dart file. Set up the Agora instance by initializing it with your app ID. Request permission for camera and microphone access. Create a method to join a channel for video calls. Use the channel name of your choice for the video call. Invoke the join channel method in your app. Display the local video view using the Agora widget. Add logic to handle remote video views for participants joining the call. Implement event listeners to manage user join and leave scenarios. Ensure to handle errors and exceptions gracefully. Finally, implement the logic to leave the channel when the call ends. Test the video call functionality to ensure everything is working as expected. Deploy your Flutter app to see Agora video calls in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.